Welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning how to perform a symmetry check. Let's go to the Evaluate tab, select the Symmetry Check tool. Under Analysis Parameters, we can choose a single plane, two parallel faces, or 2 points. Let's select a single plane for our analysis. Now we select a plane. I'll use the top plane. Under Color, we can assign colors for unique faces, symmetric faces, and asymmetric faces. To modify the color, select the type of face and click Edit Color. Choose a new color, click OK. I'll just cancel out for now. Then we click Check to run the symmetry check. The results display here under Symmetry Check Results. We've got 2 unique faces. When I select them in this tree, they also become selected in the graphic area, so it makes them easy to see. The callout also tells us that it's a unique face. We've got 6 symmetric faces. Just select them in the tree to see them in the graphic area. At this point, I can save a report. Cancel out. Now I can either close the tool or click Recheck. Let's recheck so I can try the other analysis parameters. We'll try 2 parallel faces. Make our selection. Over here as well. Click Check now. The result is that our part is symmetric about the selected plane, plane 1. Let's click OK. Down here we see that we've got 9 symmetric faces. Let's click Recheck. This time we'll use the 2 points option under Analysis Parameters. Select our 2 points, 1 and 2, and click Check. The part is symmetric about the selected plane. We have virtually the same results with 9 symmetric faces. Now let's try the automatic symmetry split under Type of Check. This method is useful for a finite element analysis. Click in the Body Force Split selection window to make it active, and then make your selection in the graphic area. Solid Body 1 is selected. Let's cancel out of the tool for a moment. I'm going to make a change to my part. I'll suppress Fillet 1. Now let's do a symmetry check again. We'll use the Automatic Symmetry Split option. Select this body, and now click Split Part. So here's our new split part, and if you take a look at the Feature Manager design tree, you'll see that this feature has its own node now. This concludes our video about using the Symmetry Check tool.